Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine.And you know what? One of my favorite drinks is actually drinking milk because it really does a body good. Because milk is really a good drink. And I think if you could take it, if you're not lactose intolerant, like some people are, I think drinking milk is actually a good thing on a daily basis. 所以我们来教大家喝牛奶好了。
好啊。
怎么说？
食牛奶。
食牛奶所以牛奶就是牛奶。Okay, that's milk. 食就是喝嘛。That means drinking milk. Right?
那海陆腔的喝牛奶，食牛奶。
食牛奶。Okay, that's a different dialect for drinking milk. 你知道有些东西也是用牛奶去做出来的，比如说我很喜欢吃牛奶糖。你怎么知道？
我小时候爱死它了。
巧克力牛奶糖这种
巧克力就不用了，
只要牛奶糖就够了，是不是？You have milk candy here in Taiwan, and it's really tasty. Let's teach you how to say milk candy. 牛奶糖。
牛奶糖。
牛奶糖。Okay, so that's milk candy.很多人现在都提倡要喝母奶，对不对？母奶更健康。
对啊。
It's actually healthier for babies to drink breast milk directly from the mom. So how do you say breast milk? 母奶怎么说呢？
拧奶。
拧奶。OK, 奶是奶嘛，对不对？那拧是
人啊，人的奶就是母奶咯。
It literally means human milk, which is the breast milk, okay? That's 母奶。OK, 我们现在来造个句好了。
好。
因为在台湾很多人不能喝牛奶，
因为会呕力肚啊。
对，会呕力肚，会肚子痛，会拉肚子，对不对？我还记得这个单字。Okay. A lot of people here in Taiwan are lactose intolerant, so if they drink milk, they're going to have an upset stomach. 有些人喝牛奶会拉肚子，这要怎么说呢？
有丢人。
有丢人that means some people, 有些人哈。
食牛奶
刚刚有教嘛，食牛奶就是喝牛奶 drinking milk
胃肚子不好
胃肚子不好 that means having an upset stomach. Okay, let's put that into one line.
有的人食牛奶胃肚子不好
有的人食牛奶胃肚子不好 Let's review these terms. 喝牛奶
食牛奶
that's drinking milk. And then you have the milk candy, which are tasty. You have to try it out. 牛奶糖
牛奶糖
And finally, breast milk, 母奶
拧奶
There you have it. All about nen for this edition of Practical Hakka. And that does it for today.
什么太嘎
安子 say 张来了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.